So I'm often asked if you can schedule posts to post on Instagram in advance. And the answer is yes. And you can do so for free, quickly and easily. If you have a Facebook account and an Instagram account, this is very easy to do. Let's get started right now. Hey folks, I'm Todd.LIVE. I am an avid podcaster and video professional. I once had a podcast called Grammar School and went almost 700 episodes focusing exclusively on Instagram for business, Instagram marketing. So I know a thing or two about Instagram, and scheduling posts is an awesome thing to elevate your game, because I know one thing: Instagram is a major time suck for all of us. And when you don't schedule posts, you're forced to stop what you're doing at any given moment and take a picture and type up a description and hashtags and all that stuff. Well, you can eliminate all that and do your work in advance by batching it, taking lots of pictures at one time, writing a lot of descriptions at one time, and scheduling it at one time, so you can spend a week or 2 weeks or a whole month even not having to worry about content being posted on your Instagram account. So that's what I'm here to do today, folks. I'm here to show you how to do this. I've been doing it a lot lately here at the end of 2019, and going into 2020, I expect my Instagram game to be a lot better because I have been scheduling, and it's going to make your life easier too. And also, I'm going to show you how to take that same information when you schedule a post to quickly and easily schedule it for your Facebook page. So wait until the end of the video and I'll show you how to put it on Facebook, but let's get started right now on how to do it on Instagram. So the first thing you're going to want to do is go to the Creator Studio. If you don't know where to find that, you can simply type into Google Facebook Creator Studio, and there it is right there at the top. When you click it, if you're not already logged in, you're probably going to have to log in, but I'm already logged in. And when I log in, it goes to Facebook, and you can see that up here at the top where it says Facebook. So this is for Facebook scheduling right here, but if you see next to it, it has an Instagram logo. When you click that, you jump over to the Instagram content library. It'll show you the various posts that you've posted over since your account got started, but we're not going to worry about that right now. We're going to worry about creating a new post. So what you do is you want to make sure that you're posting to the right account. I know I'm posting to the Todd.LIVE account. I can confirm that by running my cursor over my avatar, as you see there. But when you go to all accounts, it will show you any Instagram accounts that are connected to your Creator Studio. If you don't have an account already connected, you can go down here to Instagram accounts, and you can see up here in the top right hand corner it says add Instagram account. Okay, we're not going to add an Instagram account now, but you can do that if you haven't already done that. I'm going to go back to the content library, and I'm going to confirm that I'm using the account that I want, the Todd.LIVE account, and there it is, and it's selected. And I'm just going to go ahead and hit apply. And that's where we are. Okay, so the first thing I'm going to do is go up here to create post. And when you click it, you can see there's a little drop down. It has Instagram feed and IGTV. I'm going to click Instagram feed, and you'll notice that to the right, a window opens up that says post to Instagram. So this is where you would select and create your post for Instagram. So I'm going to write out a caption. This is a test post for Instagram. And I'm going to add my location. I'm just going to go ahead and put Orange County. So you can get the little drop down, and it shows you the choices that you have for Orange County, California. Of course, I chose Orange County. And I'm going to select a piece of content. And I'm not going to bring it from my Facebook page. You can do that, although I've not tried it myself. But I'm going to choose from file upload. And from where I was posting the other day, it automatically takes me into a file folder where I have some content that I've already created for Instagram. Now I'm recording this on December 18th, and this is the post that posted today. I'm just going to choose this one, and I'm going to double click it. It's got to be a format that Instagram recognizes. A JPEG is a format that Instagram recognizes. And so once I have my picture there, I can select a couple different things. I can crop the media, I can discard it if I'd like to, or I can tag the media. I like tagging things. And so in this case, Thinkific is the company of the sweatshirt that gave me the sweatshirt that I'm wearing. So I'm going to tag it with Thinkific. And there we go, drop down, it shows up. And I'm going to tag me, Todd.LIVE. And I might even tag my friend Rob Balasabas, who gave me this sweatshirt. Rob's other account. And that's it. I hit save down here at the bottom and the tagging is finished. Now, you'll notice below here it says post to Facebook. If you're posting manually and posting right this very minute, you can choose that and go down here and hit publish, and it'll publish to both Facebook and to Instagram. But I'm wanting to schedule the post, okay? Now watch what happens here. I'm going to uncheck the post to Facebook. When I hit the little arrow next to the word publish, I get a drop down and I can save it as a draft, I can schedule it, or I can publish it now. I want to schedule it. And when I do, I get a new window and I can choose the date. I'm going to choose the 19th, which is tomorrow, and I'm going to change the time. I like it to go out usually at 9 in the morning. 9:09 is fine, and I'm going to schedule it. So if I hit the word schedule, it schedules. Now, I can't post though to Facebook. If you notice, I'm taking my cursor over there and trying to hit that box. It won't let me schedule to Facebook as well through the Instagram side of the Creator Studio. So once I schedule this, what it's going to do, in fact, I'll go ahead and schedule it. And you'll see that at the bottom left, it says your post is being scheduled, and then it says up above, your post has been successfully scheduled. And you can see in this very top item, it says scheduled right here for the date and the time, and that's my post. But I want it to go to Facebook too, and I'm going to tell you that. This is kind of the bonus content that I promised at the beginning of the video, is how do you post it to Facebook when the scheduler won't let you also choose to post it to Facebook? So here's what I do. I click the item, and then I hit Edit Post down at the right-hand side. What I do then is this is normally going to be filled with a lot of text and hashtags and all sorts of things. And if you notice down here at the bottom, as you type, look at that, the characters, it shows you how many characters you have left. And then when you start hashtagging, watch the hashtag count. Hashtag count goes down for every one I post, it goes down. Notice how it says 28 hashtags, because you can have up to 30 hashtags and you can have up to however many characters. And you can also mention people. So if I want to mention at Thinkific and at Rob Balasabas, see the mentions go down as well. Now that's interesting. I have I didn't choose a Thinkific, so I'm going to choose Thinkific. So it went down 2 mentions there. So it keeps track of that for you. Now what I can do in the Edit Post is I can copy this. I'm going to go and copy it. And then I am going to, I'm going to discard these changes, because let's say this is a post that I've scheduled that I don't want to change. So I'm going to hit the box, the X at the top, and I'm going to choose yes to get rid of it. I don't want to make any changes to that. And then I'm going to go over to the Facebook side, and that's simply hitting that Facebook icon up at the top. And then they don't have that add a piece of content or whatever it is from the Instagram side. What does it say? Create post. It doesn't have that on Facebook for whatever reason, create post. But it does have this bar right here that says post something. So when you click that, you get another window that opens up, and you choose the page that you want to post it to. And then you have all these options. In this case, I'm going to share a photo. And again, it takes me right to where I was. And then I can say something about the photo. So that's where I'm going to paste what I copied before, okay? And then the same thing down below. I'm going to hit schedule, and there's a window that allows me to schedule. So I'm going to say tomorrow, let's say 9 o'clock. If I want them to be at the exact same time, 9:09. And then make sure you choose the AM. I don't know if I did that in the first one, but make sure you choose the AM, and then you can hit schedule. And at the bottom, again, you get the little dialog window, success. You can view your post in the content library. Now, it's been my experience that scheduling on Facebook doesn't happen as instantaneously as it does on Instagram. So I should be able to see my new scheduled post already in this. Let's see, maybe it's already there, 12/19. It's not already there. See, this is where it published today. See, that's showing already published, but it does not show me the new one. So I'm gonna have to go back because I don't want it to publish again. So I'm gonna reload the site and just see what happens. See if that new post shows up. There it is right there. So I'm gonna go ahead and delete that because I don't want that to post. I've already posted it. So I'm gonna check the box and hit delete. And I'm gonna choose that. And then I'm gonna go over to the Instagram. I really don't want that one to post on Instagram for a second time either. So I'm gonna delete that too. And it's as simple as that, folks. That's how easy and quick you can post content to Instagram using a free scheduler within the Facebook Creator Studio. So that's it, folks. I hope this video helped you out, and if it did, please leave a comment below. Leave a comment below if you have any questions at all on how to do this. And if you like this kind of content, be sure to subscribe to my channel. And if you want to be ambitious, hit the bell and you'll be notified when future videos come out. 2020 is going to be a big year for me on YouTube. I have kind of ignored it through the years as I've been a digital creator, and that day is over. We're going into a new decade, a new year, and I am going to be hitting YouTube hard. So I hope to have you with me for this ride. Folks, thanks again for watching this video, and I will talk to you in the next video. Take care, folks. Have a great day.